Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're exploring the Prevue Hendryx Pet Products 91110 Double Roof Birdcage Kit in blue and white, designed to provide a comfortable and engaging environment for your small feathered friends. This thoughtfully crafted birdcage kit includes everything your bird needs, from cups and perches to delightful treats and toys, ensuring your pet is entertained and well cared for. With its unique double roof design, this cage not only offers a stylish home for your bird but also maximizes space and comfort. Measuring 13.5 inches long, 11 inches wide, and 16 inches high, this cage is perfect for small-sized birds, providing ample room for them to flutter and play. The 3/8-inch wire spacing ensures safety while allowing your bird to explore its surroundings without any risk. Keep in mind that the toys and accessories may vary, adding an element of surprise and variety for your pet. Whether you're a new bird owner or looking to upgrade your bird's habitat, the Prevue Hendryx Double Roof Birdcage Kit is an excellent choice for creating a happy and healthy home for your avian companion. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.